So this right here is actually a Polyphemus moth, a beautiful moth, one of our larger giant silk moths. Scientific name Anthrea polyphemus. Polyphemus because, as you can see by these eye spots, that it's sometimes displayed. You see on the one on the left it's not displayed, on the side on the right you see it is displayed. It uses that as a defensive type of thing. It flashes those eyes to try to scare away things that might eat it, and lots of things can eat this thing, everything from squirrels, parasitic wasps take care of them, all sorts of stuff. But the biggest thing is light pollution. Unfortunately, these are one of the ones that get attracted to the light. When they do, it unfortunately is pretty bad for them because they hang out there their whole life. And you gotta remember, these are adults. As young, they eat a ton of food and get to large size, but when they're adults, their main job is just to find a mate and the right host plant, and to use that in order to actually produce more of them. And during that short time, which may be less than 2 weeks, they're not really doing anything but trying to find that. And the problem is, if they're wasting that time hanging out by a building light, or worse, they're hanging around over there, and then the early bird gets the worm, or in this case the bats gets them too. That's the end of them. Anyway, it's a beautiful moth, Polyphemus moth, and one of our larger giant silk moths. And you can see the Polyphemus, the eye spot, which gives it its name. Polyphemus was a one-eyed giant, and so that, you can see the eye on there that gives it its name. The Polyphemus moth, one of our larger giant silk